What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll be showing you how to draw the Flash from the Justice League. We'll begin today's lesson in the center page with the inside edge of the brow. So we're going to leave a gap in the center. Let's start over on the left side. We're going to bend this in and then up. Let's line up the bottom over on the right and come in the same way. Now I'm going to draw the bottom edge of the brow. So we're going to start back on the left. I want to curve this up and then bend that out towards the side. Let's do the exact same thing on the right. Now from here, we want to tuck the eyes in underneath the brow. So on the left side, we're going to step in, we're going to draw a circle. We're going to go all the way around and just tuck that up underneath towards that inside point. Let's go to the right side from this point, come down towards the same height, and then tuck that up underneath. Now in the center of each eye, we're going to draw a smaller circle for the pupils. And we'll fill the inside of the pupils in black. Now we're going to move to the center, step down, add a curve for the nose, starting on the left, then it's down, across, and then up. Now step up in between the eyes and draw a short curve going in the opposite direction. Let's go back to the bottom of the nose, step down, we're going to add a curve for the mouth, from the left, coming down and up. Add a bracket to close off the corners of the mouth. And then from the center, step down, add a short curve for the lower lip. Now from here, we're going to move out to the side and draw the lower half of the head. From the outside of the left eye, let's step over, curve the head, coming down, come in underneath the mouth, go across, and then bend that up towards the same height on the right. Let's go back to the left side. We're going to draw the top half of the head. Starting here, bend this out and up. I'm just going to round out the head in the middle, go across, come down, and just pull that in towards the side. Now let's go back to the face and draw the edge of the mask. In between the nose bridge and the bottom, let's start with a point. From here, we're going to bend this out and then down, just underneath the eyes. Now from here, bend this out and then up. Let's come down and then bend that in towards the bottom of the head. Let's add that chin piece. Over on the left side, we're going to come up, across, and then down. Now let's add those covers across the ears. Starting on the left, bend this out, and then in. And then on the side, we're going to add those two lightning bolts. Let's start up here. Angle this up and out on both sides. Angle this down and in. And go all the way up toward the tip of those bolts. Now I want to trace this along the outside, so we're going to taper this down, add another point going up and out, and then pull this down and then in towards the side of those covers. Now I also want to add that trim across the top of the head, starting from the top of the eye, then it's out and then up. Let's add a point, angle this down, and we'll continue that curve going up towards the top of the head. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the side of the body. We're going to start over on the left side, just underneath the head, then it's out and then down towards the hip. Line this up on the right, going out and then down. Let's add that lightning trim across the belt. From here, angle this down and in. Let's add a point, going up and out with a short line. Come down and in towards the center. Now I want to trace this shape along the top. So I'm going to start up here with a short angled line. Let's add that point, come down and in towards the center. Now I'm going to go back to the center of the body, just underneath the chin. We're going to draw a large circle for that symbol. Let's add that lightning bolt. Starting from the top right side, angle this down and out about halfway, come across, and then come down towards the bottom. Let's go back up to the top, draw on the right side, coming down, create that point, and pull that all the way down towards the bottom. Let's go back to the belt. We're going to step down, add a curve, going up and down from left to right. Leave a small gap in the center, go to the left side. We're going to bend the leg going out and down towards the left heel, move over towards the right, go out and down towards the right heel. And then we'll curve the bottom of the feet. Starting from the left heel, bend this down and then up. Now I want to go back to the left side. I'm going to draw the top of the foot. I'm going to go up, come in, and then bend that down, leaving a small gap along the inside. And then I'm going to go back up to the hips and draw the outside leg. We're going to follow that same curve from the hip, going out, and then bend that down on top of the feet. Let's add a thick sole across the bottom. So we're going to take this curve, step up, and trace that across on both sides. From the top of the foot, let's step up and add another curve. Now let's go back up to the top and draw in the arms. We want to start halfway between the chin and the hip. So we're going to start right here. We're going to bend the arm going out and then down towards the wrist. Let's line that up on the right side. Now from the wrist, let's draw a small half circle for the thumb and then just close off the end with a bracket. We're going to add 3 fingers on either side. Let's start from the bottom of the thumb. I'm going to bend this around that bracket and then in. Step over towards the side, bend the second finger, going out and then in. Let's do that one more time. Bend the arm coming all the way around. Now as you come up to the top, we're just going to bend that in underneath the head. Let's do the exact same thing on the right. Now we're going to add that same lightning bolt pattern across the wrist. Let's start from the top of the thumb. Start by curving this out towards that middle center finger. Add a point. Continue curving towards the outside of the hand. Let's do the same thing on the right. Starting with this curve above the thumb, coming down, angle this up, and then continue that curve. Now I want to trace that along the top. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw the Flash from the Justice League. And once you're done, I want you to share your artwork into the Sketch Club on School, and you can do that by clicking the link down in the description below to start your 7-day free trial. And don't forget, by joining today, you get access to all our courses and workshops and all our membership features. I want to thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next one.